Today I'm reviewing the ImaginBank Murcia Youth Card, a digital-only banking product from CaixaBank that's specifically designed for young people. ImaginBank has built a reputation for being one of the few banks in Spain that operates 100% through a mobile app. There's no web interface for managing your finances. Everything runs on your phone, which can be either a big plus or a downside depending on your preferences. First, let's talk about the sign-up process. You can apply for the card directly through the ImaginBank app, and the process is fairly straightforward. You'll need your Spanish ID or passport, a selfie for identity verification, and some basic personal info. The verification usually takes a day or two. Once approved, the virtual card is instantly available in the app, while the physical card arrives by mail in about a week. As for the card itself, it's a prepaid debit card, which means you can only spend what you've loaded onto it. There are no maintenance fees, which is great, and the card supports contactless payments, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. The app lets you freeze and unfreeze the card, set spending limits, and receive instant notifications for all transactions. Now let's talk about the design of the app. It's sleek and user-friendly, with a modern layout that feels intuitive. The home screen shows your current balance, recent activity, and links to popular features like transferring money, topping up your card, or splitting bills with friends. One nice touch is the ability to create savings goals and track your progress visually. Many useful links you can find in the description. One thing to be aware of is that ImaginBank doesn't support cash deposits. You can withdraw cash at CaixaBank ATMs for free, but if you're someone who handles a lot of physical cash, this might be a problem. Another downside is customer support. There's no branch you can walk into, and while there is an in-app chat, response times can be slow, especially during peak hours. In terms of security, ImaginBank uses two-factor authentication and biometric login, which gives a decent level of protection. You also get notifications for every transaction, which makes it easier to monitor activity and detect anything suspicious early on. The ImaginBank Murcia Youth Card also comes with some perks like discounts on events, stores, and cultural activities for young users, especially in Murcia. But these promotions can be pretty hit or miss. Some are useful, others feel more like filler. There's also a built-in carbon footprint tracker if you're into sustainability, which is a unique feature not many banks offer. Transfers between ImaginBank users are instant and free, and standard SEPA transfers don't cost anything either. However, if you're sending money outside the Eurozone, fees and currency exchange rates start to apply, and those aren't always the most competitive. All in all, ImaginBank's Murcia Youth Card is a solid choice for students or young adults who want a fee-free digital banking experience in Spain. It's particularly good if you already use your phone for everything and don't need in-person banking. That said, it's not perfect. Slow customer service, no branches, and limited cash handling are definitely factors to consider. If you're okay with those trade-offs, it's definitely worth trying out. I'd recommend testing the virtual card first to get a feel for how the app works before committing to using it as your main card. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest tech and finance reviews like this one.